Okay, so this is Florent, the mathematics user. I want to look at basic trigonometric identities. So on the board, we have our sine theta, cos theta, and our tan theta. These are opposite, our adjacent, and our hypotenuse. Then we have our cosec, and the sec, and the cot. And the cosec is the inverse of the sine theta, the sec is the inverse of the cos theta, and the cot is the inverse of the tan theta. Now, we want to develop these trigonometric identities. Now, from Pythagoras' theorem, we know that the sum of squares of the opposite and the adjacent is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. Now here, let us divide through by r squared. When we divide through by r squared, we'll be obtaining x squared over r squared plus y squared over r squared is equal to r squared on r squared. Now here, r squared on r squared will give us 1. Then x squared on r squared will give us, now pay attention. So x on r is our sine. So this will give us sine square theta. Because x squared over r squared can be written as x on r all to the power 2, where x on r represents sine theta. So therefore, x squared, x over r all to the power 2 will give us sine squared theta. Now, when we come to this end, y on r is cos. Now, from what we did here, y squared over r can be written as y on r all to the power 2, where y on r is cos. So we have cos square theta is equal to 1, which means that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. By extension, sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Or we can say cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. And this is Florent, the mathematics tutor.